Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 10 ways to make your Windows 11 or Windows 10 faster than before. Okay, so firstly you have to go to this run box. To open run box, you have to put Windows plus R together. Then you'll find this run box. You have to write here recent. Now hit enter or you can click on OK. Then you'll find here the recent application or the recent thing what you have not used actually. So all you have to just do is uh, control plus A, select all, and you have to delete this. Click on delete. Okay, so after delete you have to go to the next step. The next step is you have to go here and write storage, and you'll find here storage settings. Click on this, and then you can see here storage sense, which should be turned on. Okay, in Windows 11 or Windows 10 it is almost same. It will be the storage sense is here in Windows 10. Storage sense will be there in Windows 11, so almost it's same. You just need to find it. Now go to the next step. The next step is you have to go here and write msconfig, and you'll find this system configuration. Click on this. Now choose boot, this option. Then you can see the timeout here. This timeout option, you have to make it 3. Okay, now click on apply, then click on OK. Now click on exit without restart. Now click again msconfig and system configuration. Choose boot, and you'll find here advanced options. Click on this, and you can see the number of processor here which should be turned on. You have to tick, you must tick on this and click on this drop down menu. Then choose the maximum value. The maximum value is here 4. It can be 16, it can be 8, that's up to you, but in my case it is 4, so I'll choose 4 and click on OK. Click on apply, then click on OK. Now you have to click on exit without restart. Now go to the next step. The next step is we have to go task manager. Find task manager, click on open. Then you'll find here startups, this one. Click on startups, and then you'll find startup application, all of this here, which this application is start up automatically when you start your computer. So you have to just disable all of this. So not all of this, but this which application you don't need actually, or you don't need to start up automatically. So just right click, and if it's enabled, make this disable. Okay, like this. Now click on cross and go to the next step. The next step is you have to go apps. Go to settings first. Click on settings, and now choose apps, this one. In the app section you'll find here startup. Click on startup, and then you can see all of the startup application again. Now you have to turn off the application. If it's turned on, make sure turn this off if that application you don't need to start up automatically. Okay, after that you have to go to the next step. The next step is you have to click privacy and security. Go privacy. Okay, you can go to settings first. Then you'll find here privacy. Click on privacy. Then the general option, all should be turned off. This all should be turned off. If you find this turn on, make sure you're turning this off one by one. Speech should be turned off. Inking and typing presentation should be turned off. And then location, if you don't need, you can turn this off. Camera, if you don't need the camera, you can turn this off. Microphone, voice activation, what you don't need, just you have to turn this off from here. Okay, now go to the next step. The next step is you have to go edit group policy, this one. Click on this and choose administrative template, this one. Double click on this. Now go Windows component. Then you have to find app privacy, this one, app privacy. Double click. and then you have to find here let Windows app run in the background. This one, let Windows app run in the background. Double click on this and make sure it is enabled. If you find this not configured or disabled, make sure it is enabled. And this one, default for all apps, should be force deny. Just click on this drop down menu and press force deny. Now click on apply, then click on OK. Now just cross this and go to services, services. Now open this. Now you have to find here sysmain, which is in S section. So go to S and find sysmain. This one, sysmain. Double click on this and make sure sysmain is disabled and service status should be stopped. If you find this manual or automatic, make sure you are turning this disable and the service status should be stopped. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Now go to Windows Update, find Windows Update, which is in W section. So press anywhere and W from your keyboard, it will take you to the W section. Now find Windows Update. This one, Windows Update, double click on this and make sure it is disabled and the service status should be stop. Now click on apply, then click on OK. After that, you have to go to the next step. The next step is again go to settings. Now personalization. Now click on this colors. Now scroll down and you'll find here transparency effect, which should be turned off. If you find this turn this on, you have to just turn this off. Okay. Now click on cancel and go to the next step. The next step is you have to go this PC, right click on this and you'll find properties. Click on properties. Now you can see here advanced system settings. Click on advanced system settings. In Windows 11 you have to find here where is advanced system settings. So click on this. Now you have to go to the performance tab, this one. Click on settings. Now you have to choose adjust for the best performance. Click on this. Now click on apply, then click on OK. OK again. You can cross this and go to the next step. The next step is you have to write click here and write restore. And then you'll find create a restore point. So after that you have to click on create, this one, create option. Then you can create your restore point here with your date. The today's date is 15/05. Debloat backup. You can make this backup. So what you are doing right now, what you're deleting right now, you can if you create the restore point, you can get back to the original automatically. Okay, it will take some seconds, so hold on, I'll be right back when it's complete. It may take some second to minutes, so you have to hold on. After create this successfully, you can click on close and click on OK. Now you have to go here and write PowerShell. Now choose run as administrator. Click on yes. Now you have to put here two commands, what you'll find in the description below. If you check the description, you can find these two commands what you have to put here. The first command is you have to just make this first command, copy and paste, enter and put the second command. Just copy and paste here. It will be 100%, so hold on. I'll be right back when it's 100%. So after 100%, you can see this kind of debloat options. Now you have to click on customize block list. Then you will find all of the application what you have already installed or what you have already installed from your computer. Okay, so all you have, you can see this uh, tick mark that is installed from your computer. You can now directly wipe out or delete this software from your computer, but you have to check some software that you need actually. You can see this tick sign. If you untick this, that means this software will not be deleted. If you need this software, you can uncheck this. Okay, uncheck this one, but I don't need anything, so I'll just delete all of this. Now click on this save custom allow list to block list ps1. Once you click on this save block list, then you can click on close. Then you have to click on this remove bolter with custom block list. Click on this and it may take some 10 to 15 minutes to delete all of this. Okay, so after delete all of this, you have to just restart your computer and check back and you can see the result. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.